Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our brand new units. This is a 2020 NX300 standard package in the Nebula Gray Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED daytime running lights, fog lamps, headlamp washers, turn signal integrated side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, automatic high beams, central locking differential, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, hands-free audio controls, hands-free calling, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, multimedia display with Bluetooth audio and backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, Lexus 10 speaker premium audio system, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, black interior, split folding rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.